evening, everyone.
Evening.
Yes.
Okay.
Evening, Miss.
Yes. Have you eaten dinner, guys? Udah pada makan malam semua atau belum?
Belum.
Belum, not
Belum,
yet.
baru.
Ya.
Udah tadi.
Okay, done ya, udah ya. Okay, and then how was your day, guys? Everything good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, and then how about the other? How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, Pak Ujang. Yes, Alhamdulillah ya.
Alhamdulillah.
Alright, guys. Now we will start our class ya. Okay, everyone. Before we start our class, is my voice clearly?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, clear ya. And then how about the screen? Can you see my screen now?
Yes. Yes, I see.
Okay, thank you for the response. Now we will start our meeting ya. Okay, alright guys, welcome all of you guys to the speaking class and Bahasa Academy ya. And here are the questions. So whatever happen, stay and do what I say. And you will make mistake and also everything on the purpose. And then, so don't worry, ya, no worries to make mistake because we are in learning. Ya, jadi dalam pembelajaran pasti ada kesalahan ya. Kita pun sama-sama belajar, saya juga masih sama-sama belajar di sini. Okay, everything on purpose dan semuanya memiliki tujuan. And in this class, because the beginner class ya, we use 50% English and 50% bahasa, right? Okay, we mix ya. We mix the language. Alright guys, we move to the next slide yeah. Okay, now, okay, what do you think about the picture? Can you see that?
Maybe frostbite.
Dream.
Yes.
Kedinginan. Frostbite.
Keinginan or kedinginan? I'm sorry, I can
You
Kedinginan.
feel cold.
cold. And okay, cold. Kedinginan ya. Kira keinginan. Okay, cold. And how about the other? Any idea?
Afraid. In God.
Afraid. Yes. Who said afraid?
Afraid.
Yes. Okay, afraid
God.
ya. Jadi seperti ketakutan ya. Okay, jadi what does the girl feel? She is feel afraid ya. Jadi dia merasa ketakutan and also tadi kedinginan ya. Also cold ya. Maybe yeah, because he use the blanket ya. Karena dia memakai selimut ya. Mungkin bisa jadi juga dingin ya. Okay. As usual, after the picture, we move to the vocabularies, guys. So here are 10 vocabularies that we will discuss one by one. Discuss for the meaning ya. Okay, before that, is the vocabulary on the screen are familiar with you or not? It is familiar? Apakah vocab ini udah familiar atau kira-kira aduh baru lihat nih, baru tahu gitu. Atau mungkin udah familiar, udah tahu semua artinya.
Belum
Everyone?
familiar, Miss.
Belum
I'm not
familiar
familiar.
ya?
I don't understand what.
Yes, baru-baru ya.
Iya.
Okay, you don't familiar with this vocab ya, so we will discuss the meaning one by one ya. Kita bakal bahas maknanya satu persatu artinya. Okay, for the number one, guys, what is that for the number one? Anyone want to pronounce? Want to read? Yes.
Fear.
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 Okay, right? Fear. So what is fear?
Fear.
Fear is ketakutan kah? Ya.
Ketakutan ya.
Okay, yes, fear is ketakutan. Okay. And then number two.
Phobia.
Phobia.
Yes, phobia is still phobia ya. Phobia ya. Sesuatu yang
Phobia.
diketakuti ya. Yes, phobia, tetap phobia.
Phobia.
Yeah, okay. And then number 3,
That is treat is upright.
afraid. Yeah, ketakutan juga ya. Okay, so how to pronounce this word? Dread, right? Dread. Dread.
Dread.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Dread.
it's not dread but dread. Yes, dread.
Great.
Okay, dread
Dread.
is same with the fear, ya, sama-sama ketakutan ya. Okay, and then number 4.
Number 4 is the kecemasan, like afraid too, I think.
Yes,
Anxiety kelelahan.
ya. Anxiety ya. Everyone, I think you know about anxiety ya. Kecemasan. Yes,
Oh ya, kecemasan, kelelahan.
anxiety. Yeah, yes. Okay, number 5. How about apprehension?
Apprehension is penangkapan, like I mean
Penangkapan? Oh, itu seperti apprehend ya.
catching,
Apprehend.
yes.
Yes. Okay. The meaning of apprehension is kekhawatiran ya. Yang kalau misal apprehend itu, I think use D after N.
And apprehend.
Apprehension. Yes, apprehension.
Kecemasan, khawatiran.
Apprehension.
Yes. And then how about terror?
Up
Terror? Tetap ya, terror ya.
and
Terror like intimidation.
Yes, okay. Terror, tetap bahasa Indonesianya juga terror ya.
Yeah.
And how about worry?
Worry is khawatir. But I don't know what different worry and apprehension.
Yes, I think it's the same meaning, but for the apprehension, maybe we seldom use that ya. Okay, and then apprehension tadi kekhawatiran, ya mungkin untuk kalimat kata ini biasanya dipakai mungkin untuk lebih advance, ya. Dan untuk worry ini lebih umum kita dengarkan ya, lebih basic ya.
worry.
Yes, worry juga sama khawatir ya. Okay, and then number 8. What is number 8?
Number 8 is bad apa namanya? Mimpi buruk, bad dream.
Yes, I'm sorry.
That is
Nightmare.
like bad dream. Yes,
Dream.
mimpi
Yes,
buruk.
bad dream. Okay, mimpi buruk ya. Nightmare.
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 Oh, nightmare.
Yes,
Nightmare.
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 And then number 9.
That is
Panic.
What is
panic.
panik?
Panic.
Tetap panik ya.
Yeah.
Panic.
Yes, panic.
Mirror.
Okay, and the last one.
Nightmare.
The last
And
one. How to pronounce this word?
Ansi.
Panic.
Anis ya.
An-
Jadi itu
an-
seperti
Anis.
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 Yes, anis. Anis adalah
gelisah.
yes,
Gelisah.
gelisah atau kegelisahan.
Kegelisahan.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Jadi for I will repeat ya. How to pronounce. For number 1 is fear, and then number 2 is phobia, dread, anxiety,
Right.
apprehension, terror, worry,
Worry.
nightmare,
Nightmare.
panic. Jadi itu
Panic.
seperti ada hanya ya.
Apprehension.
Panik ya. Kalau panik tetap bahasa Indonesia, tapi in English we use H. Seperti ada H after P.
Panic.
Panic. Yes.
Panic.
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 Yes. Okay.
Panic.
And the last
Panic.
one.
Anis.
Honest, yeah, honest.
honest,
Yes,
Anish.
honest. Oke, kegelisahan.
Anish.
Tapi berbeda dengan jujur ya. Jujur tulisannya honest,
Ini cuma
honest.
berapa?
Tapi bacanya honest. Lebih ke honest.
Honest.
Kalau ini honest,
Honest.
honest, honest. Oke.
honest,
Honest. Honest.
Anish.
Now everyone, after we will discuss
Anish.
about the meaning of the vocabulary ya, we move to the question. Oke. Oke, nah di sini ada 5 pertanyaan semua teman-teman ya. Dan I will
Is this
discuss
something
ya
that you
for
feel
the
the
meaning
most?
of the question for the thing about the thing you fear most. Nah, apa nih kira-kira the thing you fear most?
Is the ghost.
The ghost? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hantu ya. Oke, the thing you fear most. Jadi sesuatu yang membuat kamu merasa sangat takut ya. Jadi sesuatu yang yang membuat kamu sangat takut apa gitu. Jadi nanti ada pertanyaannya. Yang pertama, is there something that you fear the most? Jadi apakah ada sesuatu yang membuat kamu merasa sangat takut? Ya. Oke,
Is
and then
something that you feel the most?
yes, and then number 2, can you describe what triggers this fear for you? Nah, kalau ini diminta untuk menjelaskan apa yang memicu rasa takut tersebut ya pada Anda. Ya, apa yang memicu rasa takut tersebut Anda? Can you describe? Jadi bolehkah Anda mendeskripsikan atau menjelaskannya? Oke, and then number 3, how do you handle this
How do you
fear?
handle
Jadi
this?
bagaimana kamu menghandle ya,
Mengendalikan
handle,
ketakutan dia.
ya mengatasi mengendalikan rasa takut tersebut. Yes. Okay, and then number 4, has this fear affected your activities? Nah,
This
apakah
fear
rasa
affected
Ketakutan ini
ketakutan
berpengaruh
tersebut
terhadap
dapat
kegiatan.
mempengaruh pada aktivitasmu ya, mempengaruhi atau mengganggu gitu ya. And the last one, are there any steps you take
Step
to manage your
you
fear?
take to manage your
Step,
Apakah ada
kira-kira
langkah-langkah
langkah apa
antisipasi
nih yang diambil
mengendalikan ketakutan
untuk
Anda?
untuk memanage ya, mengendalikan rasa takut tersebut. Oke, jadi kurang lebih seperti itu maknanya. Number 1, you can mention ya, one thing ya mungkin ya, what thing you fear most. Mungkin apa sesuatu yang membuat Anda takut? Oh, saya takut ketinggian. Oh, saya takut sama hantu atau apa gitu ya. Oke, and then nomor 2 itu apa yang memicu rasa takut? Mungkin punya kejadian pengalaman yang membuat trauma gitu ya. And then number 3, bagaimana kamu mengendalikannya? Mungkin kalau mengendalikannya itu punya caranya masing-masing, sama seperti nomor 5 ya, step atau langkah yang diambil ya untuk mengendalikan itu. And then number 4 tadi, apakah hal tersebut dapat mengganggu aktivitas? Ada yang mengganggu, ada yang mungkin tidak mengganggu ya, menurut waktunya mungkin atau ya situasi tertentu. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to prepare the answer ya, and then I will call you to present ya, speaking. Okay guys, maybe you can take a note ya to prepare the answer.
Apakah
Oke, mungkin saya ini ya menuliskan bahasa Indonesia-nya ya.
Apakah ada hal yang
I must feel. Can you see? Can you describe what triggers?
memang ya hmm,
Alright, everyone. Are you finished, guys? Udah pada selesai belum nih?
Not
Okay.
yet.
Not yet. Anyone finish?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Sebelumnya, I'm sorry, what can I call you? Pak Endang or Pak
Yes.
Sofi? Okay. Okay, time is your Pak Endang.
Yeah,
Okay, finish.
I have finished.
Yes, you can present about the thing you feel most and follow this question. Maybe you want to present first, Pak Endang?
Okay.
You ready?
Well, okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Now time is yours.
The answer for the first question is yes. Something make me fear because it's the ghost. Something make me fear is the ghost. And then number two, can you describe the trigger this fear for you? The apparition is scary. Jadi penampakannya itu menakutkan gitu ya, maksud saya. And then number three, how do you handle this fear? For the first I pray to the God and keep calm. And then number four, has this fear affected to your activity? Yes, this yes, it has an effective in my activity. And the fear is make me instability in emotion and activity. And then number five, are they the step to take to manage your fear? For the first, be silent and take a deep breath and then keep out. Jadi tenang, tenang, kemudian tarik napas, and then out, dikeluarkan napasnya begitu. Thank you. Sorry if I make mistake.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Pak Endang, for present the thing you feel most. Okay, and then maybe you want to choose the next one to present. Pak Endang kira-kira boleh pilih satu orang untuk present sekarang.
I think I don't know. Sorry. I choose Mr. Setiabudi Santoso.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes. No.
What is your name, Mr. siapa ya?
Ndang. My name is Ndang Solihin. And
Ndang
now
Solihin.
yes.
Thank you very much, Mr.
I am from Garut, Jawa Barat, but now I stay in Kalimantan.
Yes, thank you. Thank you information. I want to try number one. Is there something that you fear the most? Something you fear the most? Yes, that condition patient following crisis and potentially sudden death. Maksud saya adalah satu kondisi nilai krisis pasien yang berpotensi meninggal mendadak. Number two, can you describe what triggers this fear for you? describe that trigger this fear is a value crisis is difficult condition to success healthy patient that is not good parameter treatment team. Maksud saya adalah nilai krisis adalah satu kondisi yang susah pada kondisi kesehatan pasien yang itu merupakan parameter treatment yang parameter kita tidak tercapai. Not due parameter treatment. Not good parameter treatment. How do you handle this fear? I am discuss team, analyze procedure and give treatment and call them code blue. Maksud saya, bagaimana cara mengatasi rasa takut tersebut? Rasa takut itu kami atasi dengan discuss team, diskusi tim, lalu analyze prosedur and treatment yang kita berikan. Kita menganalisis dari prosedur yang kita berikan dan kita apa yang treatment yang telah kita berikan dan kita siapkan memanggil kode blue adalah tim yang menangani kasus gagal nafas. Has this fear affected your activities? Yes, I am worried. Impact bradycardia forehead. Maksud saya memang muncul rasa takut dan kadang membuat jantung saya deg-degan. Apakah are there any step you take to manage your fear? Mau manage to fear? I am give wudhu, sholat, and berdoa. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much, Pak Tete, for the 4%. And then, yeah, you can choose the next one.
Apa ya? Would you please Mbak Isnaini ya? Siapa?
Mr. Noto. Like that.
Oh.
Is 90. I don't find is 90.
Okay. I won't try answer the question. Number one, is something that you fear the most? Yes, I am. I think so. I feel the accident on the road. Then number two, describe the trigger is for you. I think I feel somebody.
Yes, I'm sorry, I cannot hear your voice. Yeah, Pak Noto. Yeah, are you speaking?
I'm so sorry.
Ya, sekarang sudah terdengar, cuman suaranya agak sedikit kecil ya. Mungkin boleh didekatkan lagi mic-nya agar clearly ya, to make it clearly your voice. Okay,
My phone,
now
is
you can
broken.
continue ya.
Okay. I try again.
Vanutu, how about you? Are you still with us? Because I still cannot hear your voice right now. Ya sebelumnya teman-teman yang lain bisa dengar suara Vanutu atau saya aja mungkin ya.
Yeah, I
Dengar,
can hear. I
dengar.
can.
Dengar?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, where is?
Tapi sekarang nggak dengar loh.
Ya
Mr.
sekarang
Not,
nggak dengar ya, padahal
ya.
suaranya nggak di ini ya.
We cannot hear you.
I'm sorry, guys. My phone is broken. Mic.
Oh, alright, no worries. Now you can continue ya. Silakan dilanjutkan. Presentasinya sudah sampai nomor berapa tadi ya? Nomor 2 ya. Or number 3.
Okay. Number 3. How do you handle this fear? I try to pray and be careful on the way. On my street, I'm sorry. And then number 4. Of course, for my activity, because I feel anxiety. And then number 5. Step I doing to manage the fear is number 1 to the pride. Number 2, be
Yes.
careful.
Something that I feel.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm was mistake and answer your question. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Nice, Pak Noto, no problem. Okay, the next one ya. Maybe you can choose the next one.
Oke, terima kasih. My name is Nurjaman. I live in Purwakarta. Okay, Miss. I had an extraordinary allergy reaction last year. At that time, the reaction is eating sheep fish. Number 2, try to stay calm. Biasanya saya menahan napas apa untuk itu atur napas ya. Kalau misalkan ketika kejadian alergi yang luar biasa, biasanya saya mengambil napas panjang. Halo, apa kedengaran?
Ya,
Oh,
kedengaran.
terima kasih Pandang.
Ya, mangga.
Now untuk untuk yang sekarang saya mencoba now start trying to eat food. Jadi mulai mencoba lagi memakan ikan itu yang memicu alergi gitu ya. Ya. Number 5. Oh, nggak nyusun ya? Oke, oke. Ulangi lagi ya. Number one, I had an extraordinary allergy reaction last year. Jadi nomor two itu kejadian saya sering itu mengalami alergi yang luar biasa. Jadi sangat menakutkan gitu kalau misalkan saya kejadian alergi itu dia sampai pingsan gitu ya, sampai lost control gitu. Nah, nomor number two, dapatkah Anda menjelaskan yang memicu rasa takut? Nah, jadi at the time pemicunya itu the reason is eating fish. Jadi ketika makan ikan itu saya langsung alerginya luar biasa gitu makan ikan laut itu. Nah, nomor tiga, bagaimana cara mengatasi rasa takut? Nah, untuk mengatasi rasa takut, try to stay calm. Biasanya kalau ketika disuguhkan ada ikan itu saya harus ini dulu, jangan langsung berpikir negatif ini akan memicu alergi. Biasanya saya akan ini dulu apa, oh ini enggak, ini pasti positif, enggak akan gitu ya.
Sugesti.
Iya, betul gitu. Jadi kalau kalau misalkan pikiran saya ini ikan memicu alergi, pasti itu kejadian saya akan gatal-gatal itu. Nah, untuk ini apa? Bagaimana cara mengatasi seperti itu? Apakah rasa atas mempengaruhi aktivitas? Jelas, jelas sangat mempengaruhi ya. Ini task influence but not me gitu, sangat mempengaruhi aktivitas saya gitu. Nah, nomor fifth-nya, now start trying to eat food. Jadi sedikit-sedikit saya mulai makan ikan, mencoba apakah ikan ini memilih-milih dulu apakah ini ikan ini pemicunya atau bukan gitu. Mungkin itu aja, Miss. Sorry.
Okay, thank you very much, Pak Nurjaman, right?
Yes.
Yes, berarti karena you eat something ya yang membuat alergi ya. Okay,
Ya.
yes. Alright, guys. And then maybe you can choose the next one. Yes, I'm sorry. Jadi because our time is limited, jadi
Only 1 minute.
yes, only 1 minute ya each person ya, each person. Okay. Jadi selanjutnya, maybe Pak Nurjaman, do you want to call someone to present the next? Boleh pilih salah satu orang untuk presentasi selanjutnya. Nah, jadi hari ini kita punya 8 orang ya. Berarti tadi yang sudah 4 atau 3 ya?
4.
4, oke. Jadi 4 orang lagi nih ya.
Oh, 4 lah.
Yes.
Marius Lamera.
Oke.
Okay,
Yes.
my name is Marius Lamera. I'm from Papua.
Okay, good night. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Uh,
Okay, I wanna try to ask the question for question number one. Is there something that you feel the most? I think yes, I am. I really most fear when I'm in the high place, like building pencakar langit apa itu? Like that,
sky.
or
On the sky. In the sky.
tower, I think like that. For question number two, can you
High
describe
building.
what triggers that fear for you? I think about fear, everyone feel fear, but depend on in situation. I think like that. And for number three, how do you handle your fear? Sometimes I must try calm down and talk to myself that everything is okay, like that. And for number 4, question number 4, has this fear affected your activities? I think yes, but only for maybe like the high place or in other place like tower when I activity in that area. For question number 5, are there any step you take to manage your fear? I think discuss to someone, to my friend or to my family about our situation, about my fear, and then try to
Record.
to make my feeling still calm like that. Thank you. That's all my answer.
Welcome.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Marius.
Yeah.
Now, maybe you can choose the next one to present.
Okay. I chose Mr. Jackie Octavianus.
Thank you, sir. Bisa dengar suara saya, Miss?
Yes, I can. Yeah, bisa.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. My name is Jackie Octavianus. I want to explain to my fear the most in my life. I fear the most, even I lose my job, because even I lose job, I can to jobless in my hometown, and I'm handle to my fear, and with way I'm still working better to every time, and I think it is to my way to handle to my fear, and there's not the effect to my activity, because I think it is the fear the most, but not make me affect, and I manage to my fear, like I wake up in the morning early and going to my office, and I make a better, and in it, even I to meet someone, some like to my friend, and and I say yes, it is the fair most. Yes, thank you.
Okay, nice. Thank you, Jackie, for presenting your fear more. Now you can choose the next one to present, maybe.
I choose the Manise. What is this Manise?
Yes, Mbak Manise, time is yours. I think Mbak Manise is the last one, right?
Yes.
Everyone, all of you done, ya? Oke, Mbak Manise. Dimulai dengan tarik nafas ya.
Yeah, because it's difficult. Okay, I will try. Number 1, is there something that you fear the most? Yes, I am. My fear the most is throwing it in the sea, because I cannot swim. So, while on the way to Lampung, the ship's engine died in the middle of the sea. So, I very drown it. And then my handle this fear by not playing in the middle of the sea or not swimming. Because I still number 4 apa number 4 has this fear affected your activities? No, I think not. Why? Because I still play on the beach. My step to take minutes. My fear is use safety measure socks or as life jackets. Jackets ya, Miss. Okay, I think enough, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Manise. Okay, you're the last one, yeah. So all of you finished, guys. All right, nice. Now we move to the correction session, yeah. Okay, Oke, guys. Nah, jadi setelah waktunya present, jadi ada masukan ya, correction ya. Jadi ada feedback ya. Oke. For number 1. Nah, seperti biasa ya. Kalau misalnya pertanyaannya, is there something that you fear the most? In English, kita bisa mengulang dari pertanyaan tersebut untuk menjawab pertanyaannya. Oke, gimana cara memakai pertanyaannya untuk menjawab? Maybe you can say the thing or something that make me fear the most. Nah, apa yang membuat kamu takut? Maybe is ghost. Oke, maybe tulisan sepertinya. Tunggu sedetik. Oh, alright. Nah, jadi untuk kata kerjanya, what is the difference between make and make? Nah, kalau misalnya kita ingin menggunakan present tense ya, kejadian sehari-hari gitu ya, we can use make, verb one. Yes, tapi kalau misalnya memang ghost itu adalah satu hal yang membuat kita menakutkan dari dulu gitu, dari dulu sampai sekarang we can use make ya, membuat. Oke. And then nah, untuk penampak wait, I will see the note ya. Untuk penampakan atau penampakan menakutkan itu apa, gimana caranya in English? Kan menakutkan itu adalah scary apparition. Scary apparition. Okay, and then penampakan tersebut dapat mengefek ke dalam aktivitas kita. Berarti iya benar. Kita bisa menjawab yes, it can affect it to my activity. It's simple ya, very simple. Kalau misalnya enggak, berarti it cannot affect it. Kalau iya, yes, it can. Ya, berarti yes, it can affect it to my activity. Atau satu lagi, no, it cannot. Ya, affected ya, to my activity ya. Oke, simple kan? Nah, kenapa kita bilang affected? Karena sudah berlalu ya, memberi efek ya. Oke, and then, nah, step apa saja nih yang bisa diambil di saat kita merasa takut? Tadi juga ada yang bilang kita juga harus merasa tenang gitu ya. You can say
Calm down.
be silent atau boleh
Calm down.
yes, be
Calm down.
calm down. Dan tadi juga ada menarik nafas ya. Tarik nafas, tarik nafas dalam-dalam, take a deep breath. Atau tarik dan buang nafas. Kita bisa bilang inhale and exhale.
Inhale and out.
Inhale, exhale itu adalah ya kata lebih ininya ya, lebih simple ya. Inhale itu tarik nafas, exhale itu buang nafas ya. Okay, and then the next one. Nah, hal yang ditakutkan adalah saat krisis ya, krisis pasien yang akan meninggal mendadak tadi ya. Karena Pak Setia ini selalu memang ke ini ya, ke ranah kesehatan ya. Ya karena beliau seorang ahli tenaga medis ya. Okay, how to say this? You can say I worry when my patient in crisis. Jadi crisis condition. Jadi we can say crisis condition of my patient. Takut di saat waktu-waktu krisisnya pasien ya. Yes, that will
Suddenly.
Yes, suddenly. Oke. Nah, ini adalah mendadak ya. Kita okay. Kalau ini adalah rasa krisis, kondisi krisis yang dirasakan pada pasien yang mungkin meninggal secara mendadak. Jadi we can say like this ya. Okay, and then juga tadi ketakutan yang dirasakan oleh tim ya. Mungkin belum bisa melakukan yang terbaik gitu ya. You can say the difficult of the team to do better atau to do best ya.
To do best. Bye-bye.
Yes, difficulties. Okay, and then tadi gagal nafas. Ini jadi vocab-vocab baru ya yang saya buat, ada tulisan Indonesia dan Inggrisnya ya. Okay, respiratory failure. Failure itu adalah gagal. Yes, failure. Okay, and then deg-degan. Jantung saya deg-degan. Apa tuh? Deg-degan ya. Itu adalah heart pounding. Heart pounding ya. Nah, ada juga tadi solusinya ya saya tetap berdoa gitu ya, berdoa atau berwudu. Nah, mungkin wudu juga boleh dibilang wudu, tapi kalau mau bilang in English, you can say I will do ablution. And then berdoa ya, keep praying and calm ya. Okay. Nah, tadi juga bilang kita tetap berhati-hati. You can say be careful. Nah, kalau untuk berhati-hati dalam konteks berhati-hati akan satu hal, you can say be careful. Tapi untuk ingin mengatakan bahwa kita ingin merasakan tenang, calm ya, be calm ya. Okay, and then tadi you can ya. Oke, tadi sudah terjawab ya. It can atau it cannot. Oke, and then the next one ya. Oke, saya juga tadi mendengarkan beberapa ini ya, word placement-nya yang masih not correct, jadi yang belum correct. Ada beberapa peletakan kalimat yang belum terstruktur ya, seperti like atmosphere atau I activity in that area. Nah, oke. I atau mungkin saya salah dengar activity in that area. You can say my, not I ya. My
Yeah, my.
activity.
My activity.
Yes. Yes. Kenapa my? Karena activity-nya adalah kepunyaan dia ya. Ini adalah ya kata ganti untuk kepunyaan. Kalau misalnya I, you can plus have. Misalnya I have activity in that area. Tapi kalau kita mau bilang itu adalah aktivitas kita di area itu, kita punya aktivitas di area itu, you can say my activity in that area. Okay, and then ada nggak di sini yang takut ketinggian ya? Saya juga takut ketinggian. How to say in English? It's afraid of height ya. Okay. Jadi takut ketinggian. Okay, and then sedikit lagi.
Saya takut tenggelam, Miss.
Yes, takut tenggelam ya. Takut tenggelam apa? Drawing at
Drowning.
sea, right? Yes.
Right.
Dive or drowning? Drowning. Drowning.
So sing can sing.
Yes. Tenggelam. Okay, and then tadi not make me affected. Yeah, not make me affected. What is the meaning of that word? That sentence. Not make me affected. Boleh kita bilang it's not affected to me. Yes, not affected to me. Atau not make me
Effective.
affected ya. Sebenarnya nggak ada yang salah. Saya akan menulisnya ya. Ini kita bakal lihat yang mana satu lebih efektif ya. Oke, do it. Ya, kira-kira yang mana nih yang enak didengar? Oh, kok saya buat tadi sama dengan maksudnya atau ya?
Not affected to me.
Affected to me.
Oke,
Not effective to me.
berarti not affected to me ya. Itu tidak mengakibatkan apa-apa untuk saya gitu. Kalau ini tidak membuat saya mengakibatkan apa-apa gitu ya. Jadi ini sebenarnya memang kesalahan-kesalahan beginner ya. Dan ini kesalahan yang memang wajar dan word placement memang paling sering ya. Jadi peletakan katanya itu is no problem. Yes. Jadi will be better if we say not affected to me. Tapi kalau kita mungkin kayak ke bawah memang seperti ini ngomongnya, jadi ya itu orang tetap paham kok. Dia tetap paham ya. Okay, I think that's all guys about today's correction ya. Yes, because our time is limited, jadi kita sekitar 1 jam ya untuk setiap pertemuan 1 jam atau lebihnya maksimalnya 1 jam 15 menit. Oke, jadi kita mulainya tadi 7.30 dan sekarang sudah 8.30 ya. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. Before we move to the reflection, if there are any question, guys, before we finish the class.
That is enough, and thank you for.
Okay,
Miss.
no, yes. Okay, no question, guys.
No question.
Yes.
Yes, who's speaking? I'm sorry. Siapa?
It's Marius.
Oke, Marius ya. Ini di tulisannya Noto ya. Ini, oh, yang mana ya? I'm sorry. Marius, oke. Pak Marius Lamera.
For next study, we have like homework to do when we go to the class again, or what we do to prepare.
Okay, thank you very much, Pak Marius, for asking ya. Nah, jadi in this class we don't have any homework ya. I don't give you homework. Jadi kita enggak ada tugas, tapi kalau memang mau mengulang, you can watch this meeting ya. Jadi nanti akan dikirimkan link Zoom. Kalau misalnya mau mengulang, boleh nonton atau juga mau cari referensi terkait pelajaran malam ini juga boleh membaca-baca gitu ya. Kalau for the next meeting, ya kita bakal nunggu materi selanjutnya dan materi itu akan di-share memang di saat meeting dimulai. Jadi the participant will not tell ya about what is the topic that we will discuss in the next meeting. Jadi biar lebih surprise aja gitu. Nah, ini malam ini kita materinya ini gitu ya, langsung di saat meetingnya gitu ya. Jadi nanti biar lebih terpacu gitu, lebih fresh materinya. Kalau memang biasa dibilang di sebelum kelas dimulai juga ya it's no problem ya, bukan suatu masalah juga, tapi mungkin sudah dipersiapkan gitu juga ya. Ya tapi ini memang agar materinya itu ya efektif dan membuat teman-teman semuanya kayak merasa tertantang gitu. Oke. Gimana?
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Alright, guys. We move to reflection session ya in the end of this meeting. What do you say about tonight meeting? And what did you learn, guys? Anyone comment? Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
He's
happy. This model, the apa namanya, pelajaran dulu.
Yeah. Is interesting for you?
Yes, I'm interested.
Very, very interesting.
Okay, thank you very much, guys. And what did you learn?
We learn about new vocab, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, and then how to pronounce it.
Pronunciation.
Yes.
Pronunciation.
Vocab. Yes, vocab. And also ini ya, word placement ya.
Answer the question about the most.
Kata
the
ya.
most.
Yes, about the thing that we feel the most. Jadi kita bahas tentang sesuatu yang kita merasa kita takut, and then the vocab related to the topic, and also word placement and how to pronounce the word. Okay.
And correction.
Yes, and correction. All right, guys. Thank you very much for your attention and your participation, guys. I will see you the next meeting. Okay, before that, maybe I want to take a picture. Yes.
Okay.
Maybe you can open the camera. All of you guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Attend the class. We will see you next meeting. Yeah. Good night. You
Good
may
night.
leave Zoom.